Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Jamie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my July plan with me. If you are new here, I just want to talk a little bit about the type of planner that I use. I like using the Happy Planner, but I also add in bullet journal pages. Happy Planner has these dot grid pages that they sell at like Joann Fabrics and Michaels or online, and they even have like half sheets. So I like to do just a little bit of a bullet journal spread to add in the things that other planners may not have. I really do enjoy how custom I can make this planner. It has a monthly spread and then also weekly spreads, and then I add in habit trackers and any like packing lists or weight trackers, anything like that that I feel like I want to add for the month. So as you can tell, I jumped right in with my Crayola Super Tip markers and kind of did like a watercolor feel. I added just the tiniest bit of water over the marker to get that look that I was going for. I did it this way so that I could show you or show other people that may not have watercolor on hand that they can still get a little bit of that feel. I definitely would recommend not doing too much of it because it does make the paper a little bit less flat or a little bit like, I guess, wrinkly. Because I did such a small portion, it wasn't too bad, and I don't mind at all, but just keep that in mind. So I actually have it's like a mermaid theme planner by Happy Planner, and I just kind of used the planner itself as my motivation and inspiration this month, and I really love the way that it turned out. There's definitely a little bit of jumping around in the different parts of my planner this month, just because one, I had to wait for some parts to dry, and then I also just kept getting inspired by things that I did and then would go back to other pages to add to it and kind of just make it all cohesive and combine the colors from the planner onto the page that I was creating. So the top of this page is actually going to be my habit tracker, and this little section down here, I usually would do like a YouTube idea section just to write down ideas for YouTube, but I decided to do a brain dump area so that I could write any thoughts that I might have for the month. Now this little section is new to my planner and new to my Plan With Me videos. I started adding them last month in the middle of the month, and I add it to each week. It's just a spot that I can jot down things kind of like a week at a glance. I have like lifestyle, home, YouTube, work stuff, errands, things I need to buy, stuff like that that I may not have on the specific day, but I need to get it done that week. And the reason I decided to put it on like a half sheet instead of a full sheet is that so that I can keep it in the middle of the week and it's not blocking my weekly view. So then I start going in with my stickers, and I put these larger stickers on the days that I have to work, just because one, I can set the tone for my week with the colors and stickers that I'm choosing, but then I don't have to worry about taking up any space that I may need to write. So that's why I like to put the stickers on those specific days. In the planner you can see there's pinks and purples, and then on my bullet journal spread I had more blues and purples. So I just kind of tried to make it all cohesive, and it ended up being a very colorful but really pretty layout. While I'm putting on my stickers, I would love to just ask you guys, what kind of planner do you use and how do you use it? Do you use a happy planner and use all your stickers? Do you do stuff like this where you add in bullet journal pages? I know some people will just take out all of that original happy planner pages and just put in bullet journal pages. Some people will use stickers in a true bullet journal. I would just love to hear all the different variations of what you guys like to use.
Is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there.
Now here is some of the jumping around that I was talking about. I actually forgot that I wanted to do a packing list and like a trip list. We're going to Arizona in July, so I just wanted to make a page that I can write out my packing list and write out anything, maybe things we want to do while we're there, and just have a place to put all of that.
I could sleep, dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh. holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost late, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by hitting that button down below. I know this isn't the main type of content that I have on my channel, but I love doing these plan with me videos because I love using my planner and I truly use it every single day. It helps me stay so organized, and this is just like a fun way to be artistic and have fun with it and not make it so boring, and it makes it a lot of fun to use and want to keep using it.
You know me better than I ever thought you could.